Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. Now, this video is a minor update on service with Mint Mobile and using it on the new mobile G3 Plus. Um, so, 90 days later, wow, it's been 3 months since I had it. Yeah, it's been 3 months since I've used Mint Mobile as a carrier, as a provider. And basically, all you want to know is how well has the service been, how well is the speeds and performance wise, and call quality, what type of features it has. And I basically did this on my 30-day review. So you can go ahead and check out in the description box my 30-day review on Mint Mobile. And I've used it on all my devices except for the Samsung Galaxy S9 that's locked to Sprint, but that's besides the point. But majority of my devices, like the Sony, the Nokia, the Moto, new mobile G3 devices, they all work very well with the Mint Mobile service. Now you don't get data roaming for those that like to travel out the country. You're not gonna be able to use it out the country, but anywhere in the U.S. that T-Mobile is providing LTE service, you're more than welcome to use this Mint Mobile in your device inside the country in the U.S. Without any problems. It does have voice over Wi-Fi. You have to activate that in your account settings using the Mint Mobile application. And I did a demonstration of that video. I'll leave a link in the description box. Also, you get 8 gigs. Well, with my 3-month service, I got 8 gigs of LTE data, which is no cap. It's not throttle. It's not a 5 megabytes per second or 2 megabytes per second. I'm getting full-fledged LTE high speeds with the T-Mobile network using Mint Mobile with the 8 gigs LTE data. Then you can get throttled or whatever after that you use the 8 gigs up. They did have like a service for $15 every 3 months. You get, I think, like 2 gigabytes. So you might want to be interested in that. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out the Mint Mobile website. Also, they do good bundles. Like, once again, like, I wish more carriers and more phone manufacturers would do dope bundles like this. So, I don't know if you guys remember this, the G3 Plus. If you order a G3 or G3 Plus from New Mobile's website, you will get a Mint Mobile SIM card with 3 months of service included with the purchase of a phone. Now, the phone comes with the dongle for your headphone jack, and it does include an FM radio, just in case you all wanted to know. You get a phone case, you get the charger, you get all that with the G3 Plus, and you get free service included. Now, if you have weak spots in with T-Mobile and you don't get service in certain areas, I would definitely recommend signing up to FreeUP Mobile, which gives you 1,000 talk and text plan for free, and just add that with your G Mobile 3 Plus or G Mobile 3 G3. Because this is dual VoLTE standby. Now, a lot of people don't like talking about this, but it's just interesting and fascinating to me when it comes to like different features in carriers and different features in smartphones that you don't see normally on quote unquote flagships. Anyways, but this device is under $200. It has Wi-Fi. It has voice over Wi-Fi, voice over LTE. You're getting like great decent 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigs onboard storage with the new mobile G3 Plus and things in that sort. And it comes with Pro mode, but it doesn't have the best cameras, of course. But for a price under $200, and you're getting free phone service, and you're getting somewhat decent carrier features that your main carriers are not even including with low budget smartphones, or low budget phone manufacturers are not even including in their smartphones to give you those functionalities. And it has mobile hotspot. So sometimes I use Mint Mobile with portable mobile hotspot just by turning on my new mobile G3 hotspot, and I can surf the web on the S9 or surf the web with the computer, laptop. I even tested it out on my Roku TV. That's crazy. So I mean, it's a lot of things to like about Mint Mobile, a lot of things to like about New Mobile, and their partnerships and their bundles that they've been having for the past half a year or so. But I haven't had any issues with the service itself. Now, Mint Mobile does include bands 66 and 71 on LTE with T-Mobile network, but the device I have doesn't have band 66 or 71. I mean, that's a little letdown. That's why I say since this is a dual SIM device and it's via LTE standby, I'm not sure if Verizon will work in it, but you can get AT&T, get an AT&T SIM card for FreeUP Mobile, and you can keep, signal just to make calls or send somebody a text say, hey, I'm gonna be running late, But other than that, it's a great service overall. I've kept coverage. I kept coverage with Moto G7 Power because it has the band 66 and 71 already included inside the device. But they are compatible with band 66 and 71 Mint Mobile. Easy access, easy setup. I like the presentation. Once again, I like how it flipped out and all this stuff like that. It's cool presentation. It comes with ejector SIM. They give you step by step how to set up the service once you order it and things in that sort. But overall, I have no complaints about Mint Mobile. I don't know. It's just a good service. Like the only thing, like I said, the only thing a lot of people might not like, it just depends on your cell phone. If it's GSM unlocked or if it's CDMA locked, then you're not going to be able to use this on a Galaxy S10 that's locked or an LG that's locked or what have you. But if the cell phone is unlocked with GSM and has all the T-Mobile bands like 66 and 71 on LTE, you're good to go. But once again, like I said, if your phone doesn't have those bands and you got a dual SIM device like a Nokia, a Motorola One Power or one Motorola One, something in that sort, or a Blue that doesn't have a band 66 or 71, I would recommend having FreeUP Mobile for your AT&T network so you can keep coverage, because with these two SIMs, I mean, there's really no point. And they have some of the best prices on the freaking planet. Like Mint Mobile is killing it. I mean, every 3 months, you can pay every 3 months. You can pay up to 6 months. You can pay up to a year. So it just depends on what type of how much data you really need, because they don't have fully unlimited data. It goes up, I think, to 12 gigabytes. Goes up to 12 gigabytes, and I think you're only paying like $30, $40 for 12 gigs. And to me, that's still decent. But I mean, I like the promo with the $20 every 3 months or something like that. It was like $20 for the 3 months, and then you get 8 gigs of LTE data, unthrottled, no cap, until you pass up to 8 gigs and what have you. And I could go, to be truthfully honest, I could go months on an 8 gigabyte plan. I could, me myself personally, and just turn off. I wouldn't even need Wi-Fi if I got the AT&T SIM card. Yeah, I cheated a little bit, okay? I cheated. But that's besides the point. That's only if you into that type of stuff. Like I said, you get VoLTE in both SIM slots. So call quality, it should be good. I mean, it was good as far as me using Mint Mobile on all my phones. It was good call quality. A lot of people really didn't complain about me talking into the mic or having it on speakerphone. So yeah, there you have it. And also, one cool thing I like about Mint Mobile is that if you don't like Android messages as your stock SMS text messaging application, they will allow you to use alternative SMS apps. So you can use, I don't know, let's say you so glued to Facebook Messenger. You can tie in your Mint Mobile phone number to the Facebook Messenger app and just use Facebook Messenger for all your texting needs and communicating with your family and friends in that one application. Text now has that option. You can use Post, you can use Skype. I mean, I'll leave a link in the description box. I did a video about that too. So that's what I like. They're not locking down. Well, you can only use Android messages and that's it. But like I said, if you don't like Android messages, there are alternative SMS apps on Android that you can use to replace the text messaging app of your choice. But other than that, guys, 90 days later, wow. Like I said, I don't have no complaints with the service, Mint Mobile. I think they changed the game. Unfortunately, I don't think they're like available like in Best Buy or Target or Walmart. So you have to go online to get this cell phone service. And they're also partnered with Amazon Prime. So you can get even cooler deals with smartphones on Amazon Prime and getting free service with Mint Mobile through Amazon Prime. If you're an Amazon Prime member, I suggest you to check them out. You never know, man. You might like this service. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What were your feelings about Mint Mobile? Have you tried Mint Mobile? And why haven't you tried Mint Mobile? Is your cell phone plan already better than Mint Mobile's service? Or is it because you don't have domestic, over data roaming? It's just like a couple of features is missing, but hey, it's a go, man. And like I said, they're doing great bundles with New Mobile and Amazon. So I'll leave all the links in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. It's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.